So let's move on to the step-by-step implementation of this migration. How did you begin with it?
Okay, so the most underrated thing is documentation. In order to migrate, we need to know what needs to be migrated. So we worked with our client to document the requirements and actually identify the components for migration. So we had lots of trackers for fields which needed to be migrated. In addition to this, we maintained a list of HubSpot forms where they were being used on the website so they could be replaced in the later stages. Now we had to understand the user roles and to keep track of the entire asset inventory, be it landing pages, invitation emails, or thank you emails. So yeah, documenting the instant is the most important thing to do for starting the process. And just a heads up, so obviously it's a very basic check, but while migrating or even setting up a new Marketo instance, you'll need admin access to perform most of the operations that we'll be discussing down the road.